So in this investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to open a checking account in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once the app is opened up, I want you to scroll down to the home screen here in the bottom left. And once you're on the home screen, just scroll down a little bit here to where it says open or move account and then select that. And then select open a new account. Once you're here under all accounts, for me it says checking account right here, or if you want to go ahead and just scroll down right here to where it says spend, checking account, no monthly fees, earn high interest on your cash for everyday spending and saving, go ahead and select that. Then once you're here, you can read all about the checking account that's being offered here through Wealthsimple, and you can just scroll down to find more information. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and press on Get Started to get started with opening up the checking account. So that is how to open up a checking account in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.